Hi, my name is Mahmud Johnson. I am 24 years old. This is my company called J Palm Liberia, and we are an oil palm processing business. So we buy palm kernels from smallholder producers in rural areas, and we transform it into palm kernel oil, which we supply to soap manufacturers. And we also have a new product called Kernel Fresh, which is palm kernel oil for the skin. We also do palm kernel cake, which is used as animal feed, and quite recently we've been working on exporting palm kernel shells, which are used for renewable energy in Europe and Asia. The idea to first start the business actually came from a conversation I was having with my aunt. She used to work as she used to sell palm oil, so she would travel to rural areas, purchase palm oil, and bring it to town to sell. And she was telling me that she ran out of business because she couldn't find palm oil, which it didn't make sense to me because I know that palm fruit grows a lot in Liberia, and so I just didn't understand why there would be a shortage of palm oil. But after doing research on that, I realized that even though there's a lot of palm fruit in Liberia, but because of inefficiencies in the supply chain, because of the fact that in the rural areas people use their hands to make palm oil, and because of transportation problems, most of the times there's serious post-harvest loss and there's also significant oil loss. And so for that reason, I decided to venture into this business to get machines. So we actually started off getting palm oil mills that we placed in rural areas, and smallholder oil palm producers will bring their palm fruit to us and use our mills to make the oil. And we take a share of the oils that they produce.
I choose Kernel Fresh. It brings out that extra glow in me.
Kernel Fresh, 100% natural palm kernel oil for luxurious skin and hair. Proudly made in Liberia. Bring out the glow in you.
This year, we are pleased to recognize two dynamic entrepreneurs, including one in the agriculture sector. Mr. Mahmud Johnson, no relation. Mr. Mahmud Johnson, who completed his master's program in the U.S., elected to come home and is now processing palm kernel for oil. Please stand up, Mahmud.